What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you guys can integrate Shopify with the Freshsales. For that, the process is very simple. The link will be in the description. Make sure you guys. So let's dive right into the video. Go to the left-hand side once you're logged in, and you will see an admin signing panel. Just go ahead and click on that, and then drag yourself down where you find app and integrations. Just click on that and you will be redirected to this option. Click on Marketplace apps. Once clicked on Marketplace apps, you will be able to see these applications. Search here Shopify. Once you search it, you will see multiple options. So just go with the first one, Shopify. Once you click on that, there will be an option to install it. Click on it and the installation will begin. That way, you will be able to install the application from here. Just enter your store name, connect to your Shopify store, go to the app embeds on the Shopify, and save the setting. That's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.